this room is, but that's what this is. Okay. There's no one here. Nothing in there. For these more old vinyls, because of course it wouldn't be an old house without old vinyls. Let's pull out one at random. Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer. Cool. That's about kind of what I expected. It's always Christmas records in these old ass fucking houses. Bed, couch, laundry, their man panties. Old ass fucking telephone. Of course. Pictures of the person's kids. Wouldn't be complete without pictures of their fucking kids. Maybe this was the owner, who knows? I don't know who the fuck this is. There's the fucking porch. Is there more to the house? Oh shit. Like that they nailed it shut. Boards and shit, but it obviously, the back door is still open. Real view of, it's not this house. Cassettes. What the fuck? Oh, it's the fucking Holy Bible. I thought it was like, okay, never mind. Dale Kinney. That's the previous owner of the house. What's left of him, I assume. Him, her, whatever. Looks awfully fucking sketchy. Looks about like typical basement of this kind. It's very fucking dark. Stone walls. This is blocked. They even had a fucking pencil sharpener. They were fucking prepared. Too bad they left this house behind. This was its best feature. Ooh, the more you know. I just casually shoved my foot into a nail right there. I was like, this board's kind of fucking sticky. That could have been bad. Grab it, boy. I wonder what kind of VHS they got. I don't know what any of this shit is. Money Train, Speed. It's like Fast and Furious, but not as furious, I suppose. That fan could use a good dusting. There. In loving memory of Alice R. Kaisamoni, died 2010. So this house is like maybe lived in 10 years ago. Pictures of children. Same child. Oh god, that scared me. I thought this was like some other weird shit. It's a fucking baby. Very faded baby. He looks like he's passed the fuck out. Might be the same baby. Also some Diet Pepsi. That's probably the main focus of the picture. That's why the photographer took the picture. Was for the Pepsi, I'm sure. It's a picture of Jesus, I think. It's not even a picture, it's more like a rug. But they're like, we can't be stepping on Jesus, so let's just put him on the fucking ceiling or some shit. Crazy people. It's weird. One of these days there's gonna be a fucking severed head or some shit in these houses. I'm not gonna be too thrilled. It would make for a good video, but then last TV too, I already pointed that out. This is like a curtain too, I think. Oh nice. Old ass computer. Looks just like the one I used to have in like the fucking 90s. Ooh, newspaper. New products to have impact on A&P plant. Auctioneering is a family affair. Cub Scouts plan field day at Mansfield. Wow. Who the fuck cares? Manor Chief's resignation accepted. Sure thing. I'm just goofing. New boot goofing. Heck. That might be where the severed head is, though. I'm just not gonna look. Wouldn't be an old ass kitchen without fake grapes. Let's check these cupboards over here. Oh, whoa. Yo, motherfucker. They had some nice ass, like, they had some fine ass china. What the fuck? I'm like baffled a little bit. So scared a rat's gonna jump out at me. They left their fine china here. Must not have been fine enough for their high and mighty pompous asses. Dishes are all still here. This one. That's all these fucking dishes here. What's it say? Heart of the Dutch country. Interesting. It's easy to get your conscience be your guide when you have a fun-loving conscience. Well said, well said. That's a good way to put it. Have a nice swan here too. Ooh, ooh. I was like, okay, never mind. I'm just being a dumbass. There's like bugs, I thought, crawling out of it. Bleach. Nothing there. Last but not least, the random junk. Jars within a jar. Beware of the dog. I still have yet to see it. January 1988. Don't believe that was recent. January 1988. I gotta think about that. If anybody watches these videos, comment down below if January 1988 was recent or not. I don't know how recently people left this place. Of course, would not be complete without some sort of... These are lights? What the fuck are these? And then there's just some shotgun shells mixed in there too, for good measure. Of course it is. So, Breeze, Country Fresh. Okay, I don't care about that. Okay, we'll call that good. Proceeds to take more pictures. Yeah, totally good.